What you're about to witness isn't just a construction project. It's the resurrection of a forgotten way of life. A journey to prove that with only the earth and two hands, the extraordinary is possible. Stay with us as a hidden world is unveiled. One that could change how you see your own. Deep in the jungle, a story begins to unfold. An archaeologist uncovers the remnants of an ancient structure. Each layer of earth removed is a step back in time. The work is meticulous, requiring immense patience and care. She isn't just digging, she is listening to the whispers of the past. Soon, the foundation's secrets are revealed. The next phase is not just to restore, but to rebuild. Using the same ancient methods, she crafts new bricks from the clay. A tangible link to the people who came before. Slowly, the walls begin to rise once more. Each brick is placed with precision and purpose. The structure is reborn, a tribute to forgotten wisdom. With the knowledge gained, a new vision takes shape. She will now build her own shelter from the ground up. The first walls of a new home begin to form. It's a testament to self-reliance and ingenuity. The process is a dance between human will and wild nature. Every detail is considered, every element crafted by hand. A structure emerges, built in harmony with its. Now, the focus turns to transforming this shelter into a home. Decorative lines are painted, adding a touch of personal artistry. The walls tell a story of dedication. Her partner joins, their combined efforts accelerating the dream. Timber is prepared for the next stage of the build. A sturdy frame begins to take shape. This will be the skeleton of their new roof. A moment of pride in the work accomplished so far. But there is still much to be done. The earth around the foundation is carefully cleared and leveled. The triangular roof frame is hoisted into place. A critical step towards a weatherproof sanctuary. Each piece is fitted with skill and determination. The structure is secured, nail by nail. A waterproof layer is added, ensuring protection from the elements. A final inspection confirms the roof's integrity. The house is becoming a fortress of solitude. Wooden slats are laid over the frame, completing the roof. Each one is hammered securely into place. The final result is a beautiful, sturdy home nestled in the wild. A symbol of what can be achieved with vision and hard work. The creator stands before her work, a quiet sense of triumph. The journey continues, pushing the boundaries of primitive building. A new project begins, a more complex, integrated living space. Mortar is mixed, preparing to lay the foundation. The walls rise, brick by careful brick. The design is more ambitious, the skills more refined. Each layer brings the vision closer to reality. The exterior walls are smooth, a mark of true craftsmanship. A window is framed, inviting light into the space. This small opening connects the cozy interior with the vibrant jungle outside. From within, the world looks serene and full of promise. Artistic touches are added, making the house a home. Now, for the interior, a simple wooden platform will become a bed. A wooden door is hung, securing the sanctuary. The final touches are made, fortifying the base of the structure. As night falls, the shelter provides a safe haven. Inside, there is peace and rest. The morning brings new energy for a new project. The earth is broken once again. A new structure is planned, an extension of this life in the wild. Wood is gathered and prepared. A new frame is built, hammered firmly into the earth. This will be an outdoor living space, a deck before the home. The work continues with practiced efficiency. Inside the triangular hut, a new challenge begins. An underground chamber is being crafted. A small staircase of clay will lead down into the earth. Every surface is plastered, creating a seamless, organic space. The floor is painstakingly smoothed and sealed. This subterranean room will be a cool refuge from the heat. The outdoor deck is now almost complete. A moment to organize and prepare for the final steps. Back inside, the work on the hidden chamber continues. Mortars applied to the interior walls. It's a testament to the builder's growing mastery. The stairs are finished, a perfect descent into the cool dark. Attention to detail is paramount. The floor below is now being plastered. The space is being transformed into a functional cellar. A final check ensures the quality of the work. The process is almost hypnotic in its rhythm. Each stroke of the trowel brings it closer to completion. The result is a beautifully finished, practical space. A final thin layer of plaster for a perfect finish. A decorative border is added, a touch of color and artistry. The deep red paint brings warmth to the earthen floor. The project expands to the exterior. The wooden roof is treated with the same protective red stain. This not only protects the wood, but unifies the design. Every part of the structure is reinforced and secured. The home is a fortress built to last. Inside, preparations are made for a fire. The hearth is the heart of the home, providing warmth and light. But the work is not yet done. Another excavation begins for a new kind of structure. This time, the earth itself will be the walls. She sculpts the soil with her bare hands, shaping a new space. This will be an outdoor kitchen, carved directly from the landscape. A testament to living in complete harmony with nature. The form takes shape, both beautiful and functional. A metal plate is installed, the cooking surface for the earthen stove. The final surfaces are smooth and perfected. It's a masterful blend of sculpture and engineering. The finished kitchen stands ready for use. An astonishing creation, born of the forest floor. A moment of pride in this incredible achievement. The final detail, a gleaming cooktop. The journey evolves again towards a more ambitious dwelling. An underground room is dug, the base for a new home. The earth will provide both shelter and insulation. Wood is sourced from the surrounding forest. Inside the earthen pit, the interior is carefully shaped. The wooden beams are brought in to form the structure. Posts are driven into the walls to support the roof. A layer of earth is laid over a wooden subfloor. The main support beams for the roof are raised. This will be a living roof, covered in earth and grass. The main ridge pole is set in place. The roof frame is expertly notched and fitted together. A beautiful and incredibly strong design. The skeleton of the roof is now complete. A lighter layer of bamboo is woven across the rafters. This will support the final layers of the living roof. The work is fast and efficient. The roof structure is now finished, a masterpiece of natural building. Next, the walls are built up using cordwood and earth mortar. This technique provides excellent insulation. The house is becoming one with the landscape. Inside the nearly completed structure, a sense of peace. The walls are plastered with a final layer of clay. A waterproof membrane is laid over the roof. This will protect the structure from rain. A brick chimney pokes through the roof. The home is now weatherproof and secure. Firewood is gathered to warm the new home. The finished house sits nestled into the hillside. A breathtaking example of sustainable architecture. The cordwood walls are reinforced. Inside, a floor is crafted from rounds of wood. Each piece is cut to fit perfectly. The resulting pattern is both rustic and beautiful. The wooden floor is complete. A raised platform for a bed is constructed. The home is now fully furnished for simple living. A fire is lit in the hearth. The warm glow fills the cozy space. Final cleanup and preparations. The home is ready. A triumphant moment of completion. The final project is a complete homestead. The walls are plastered with fresh clay. Sealing the gaps creates a warm, airtight home. Her movements are confident and practiced. The final section of wall is filled in. A living roof of thatch provides natural insulation. Wood is cut for the indoor stove. The hearth is carefully prepared. This fire represents warmth, food, and security. With the house complete, smoke rises from the chimney. The homestead is alive. Inside, the first meal is cooked on an earthen stove. A simple, hearty meal to celebrate the accomplishment. This is the taste of true self-sufficiency. A moment of quiet satisfaction. The culmination of a long and transformative journey. The house is not just a structure, but a part of her. Stepping out into the world, reborn and empowered. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel, Bushcraft Skills, for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.